We're going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong.
World economy cannot survive a 7 to 11% loss of oil supply. It will not survive.
And cue the fire, and oh my Lanta, panic as Trump just drops a nuke. And for some of you, you're like, oh, I don't like that word, bravo. How is it my First Amendment friends are like, sometimes words, I don't like you using them. That is kind of the N word. So let's just go with bombs. Molotov cocktails. And how's the market trying to trade this thing? Woo! 1 minute you are up and the next minute you are down. You're all bragging to your friends with your hot girlfriend. Hey, and then all of a sudden Trump comes on the TV and just bags you. By any chance, did you catch the price of oil today? It was a great... Yeah! 110, kids. We got it. In the bag. It's okay. Everything will be okay. So last week I had talked about Luke Gromen giving some chilling warnings about our economy, recession, how this all ends, and oil, energy. Something to the effect of, we cannot survive. Who is going to fall first? Private credit? I mean, we are all on the brink of total destruction and we want to go in. Like boots on the ground, and it looks impossible, but I know we've seen Star Wars. It's possible. All we have to do is shoot 2 torpedoes in. It'll cause a chain reaction. And the hole's about this big. Gentlemen, use the force. I know you can get it in there. Also, you looked and you did not break it, so that means I get to punch you. So I do have a question about this movie. Like, actually, I had lots. How do these, because they're protons, they go down. The angle? It's the force. Here we go. So we're going to fly hundreds of troops, 82nd Airborne. You'll be fine. I'm sure the people on the ground will be like, hey, see, you're here to build a runway. Can we help? I heard you wanted to get the highly enriched nuclear material that's 90 meters underground. Okay, all right. We do have some really strong and reinforced blast doors. I want you to be aware. I don't know. I actually had notes here. There's like 8 of them. Didn't Trump say we blasted them into the Stone Ages? Oh, did you catch that? Well, I say, hey, orange guy, we good then.
The progress we've made, I can say tonight that we are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly. We're going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong. In the meantime, discussions are ongoing. Regime change was not our goal. We never said regime change, but regime change has occurred because of all of their original leaders' death. They're all dead. The new group is less radical and much more reasonable. Yet if during this period of time no deal is made, we have our eyes on key targets. If there is no deal, we are going to hit each and every one of their electric generating plants very hard and probably simultaneously. We have not hit their oil, even though that's the easiest target of all, because it would not give them even a small chance of survival or rebuilding. But we could hit it, and it would be gone, and there's not a thing they could do about it.
If by any chance, you were trading this yesterday, one of my best friends, he's like, I'm going to do it. I'm like, are you sure?
Thank you very much and good night.
Reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest and
it's gone.
What?
It's gone. It's all gone.
Thank you very much and good night. But the big picture in all of this, like Star Wars, there is hope. Refinance it when rates go down. This isn't looking good with the banks and the corporations and the elites and everyone. It's like, oh, just we're fine. It's going to keep going down. It was about the time I went long on TLT with that Head and Shoulders. It's the wrong way. Now you have a triangle with a 200-day moving average. Do you see the trajectory or trajectory up. Your 30-year is currently in the this many fingers, and it's going to go up to this many fingers. I say, boy, Don, this will be a great time to refinance that debt. I don't know what all of these countries and companies are going to do with all this debt that they're all upside down on. And that's when you give the word of the day is bankruptcy. That is why you see one end, it just keeps going up because people are like, well, I don't want it. And then the Treasury keeps issuing debt and no one wants to buy it. Like you take Nike, they're like, here, we'll issue debt. No, okay, how about at 20%? You take 20% to buy our BK debt? Oh, and relatively no buyers, and this is not an April Fool's joke, they're like, well, 15 billion, anyone? No one? Okay, well, we'll buy it. If you call that a functioning market that we are living in, okay. Oh, and in yesterday's video, when I'm like, hey guys, you can look at Nike, because this is what investors do, analysts are like, yeah, it's really low. Oh, you should buy it. When it was in, I forgot to tell you, in 2022, yeah, you're down, it's down 30%. Yeah, I mean, only up from here. 23, down 7%. 24, down 30%. Well, we can only go higher. Nope, we just keep going lower, don't we? 15%, 2026, tack on another 32% for good measure. And people say, oh, the market went up. Which one, Jim? Is not a functioning market, and everyone is busted. Now with what is happening in Iran, you have 2 weeks left, because that's what government officials always use. It's always 2 weeks. 2 weeks to slow the spread, 2 weeks to bomb them into oblivion. Send them back to the Stone Ages, and good luck trying to get your money out of the bank. You ain't doing it. Blue Owl, actually, they got caught with their pants completely off. Like, there is no pantalones. They are completely gone. Like those dreams you have where you're like, hey, I'm completely naked. Why can't I have pants like around my ankle and I just pull them up? But nope, I am just in front of like, I'm a speaking engagement. I'm like, okay, well, let's throw that over the shoulder and head to the exit, which these guys don't have. There is no exit. Look at this, look at this. Look at these are look at this down. Hold on. I'll keep look. That must be Blue Owl. People are like, hey, I want my money. You ain't getting it. They're like 2 years, 2 weeks, and then 2 years and 2 weeks. And the government's like, oh my gosh, hurry, print more debt. Okay, Trump, buy it back. We have a liquidity issue. The ship is going down. It's gonna get worse, and it is worse. And somehow they're like, oh no, it's good. Strong economy. Oh, by the way, Pam Blondie, she's fired. Try to squeeze everything into a 14-minute video just for you. If you like that, please hit the subscribe button or check to see if you've been unsubscribed for the 15th time. As U.S. economy lost, it's losing jobs. 100,000, another 100,000. That's okay. It's just happening because of temporary something. Every chart that I look at in the last 20 years looks like this, jobs. It's just down and down. Job openings fell 358. It's okay, the stock market went up today. Labor force participation rate, down and down and down and down. And everything is so worse than what they say. They're like, well, if they're not actively looking for a job, we don't count them. Let's pop on over to Luke and listen to how bad it's gonna be.
World economy cannot survive a 7 to 11% loss of oil supply. It will not survive. We can debate, is Europe going to go first and collapse? Is Southeast Asia going to go first and collapse? Will America collapse first? But the global economy is a certainty. It will collapse if we keep oil supplies down.
What's the likelihood we go there and we stay there? What's the timeline? Like if we go to 7, 11%, for how long?
Well, we've been there for 6 weeks. And I think if we get to mid-April, like you're already seeing flights. I just woke up this morning, a discount airline out of London Gatwick canceled all flights, can't get fuel. So now you're going to start having tourism fall.
Here we go. Time to put on your tinfoil hat right now. We got to cut back. Take the bus, stay home. Implement our new digital currency. Because you aren't staying home and you're not listening, so we're going to issue this so we can control you. As Paris planning to become 15-minute city, thanks World Economic Place. They come together and try to figure out, so last shipment of kerosene to the UK, it's gone. You could know, it's no more. What you going to do? In Australia, hey, where's that gas at? You haven't yet felt the ramifications when they turn off the water and gas and electricity and everything in your house. You're like, it's okay. That is until your child's iPhone battery dies. Then all hell breaks loose. So if you thought it was bad during COVID, right? All the planners planning. This is going to be like on steroids, but it hasn't hit yet. They're planning. Guess who is going to be the fall guy? Oh, you guessed it, the orange guy. So when they start removing your Bill of Rights and your First Amendment, Second Amendment, all those kind of things, and the people are like, it's okay this time, welcome to the PSYOP. I will be like your best friend because you subscribed, and I will, like, you just drank so much. You can't even walk. I'm like, it's okay, I'll take you home. I will guide you through the poor choices that were made. It's okay, we all make them. And at the end of the day, I need to hydrate you because you need to be ready to trade these markets and make money. I don't want you drunk trading or hangover trading. Don't. Just don't. Yesterday, I showed you my student's scorecard. This is what I'm currently teaching in this new course called Stock Market Money Glitch. Actually, two things in this new course I've never shared with anyone, well, except for my student, my family, but then there's another one I've kept my mouth shut. But this morning, he was up $3,950, and this is real money. Profitable trade, 78.57. He beat me, and I think he got lucky. It's on the 2-minute, and you got to be really quick with your fingers. You can use 1 or 2 fingers. Here, smell. It smells like pineapple juice. So the chances of you getting into this course are very slim. I will leave a link in the description, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. It's stockglitch.com. Then you'll say, yes, I want instant access. Then it'll look like this, and let me zoom in, okay? And then it'll say $1,000. You missed it. Though so many of you guys were buying it at $1,000. Stop. I want you paying $299. I just need people in it to go, I don't know about, I'm confused. Even had to remove the link. I know people are like, you're stupid. You don't want to make money? Yes and no. Also, if you would like to know what the trade was this morning, I would love to show you. One he actually took, because it cleared that, and I think he got lucky. I was like, I'll go for it. This thing paints green. It didn't. It went red, and that was it. You could have scalped a short right there, and that's it. But your next move was actually right there on the way up. You would have exited right there, and then you could have re-entered right there. Again, all this is in the course, which you're like, I don't know. Ever since last year, I've been showing you, this is one contract, 2,424, right there. Q1 trading futures. Call it the stock market glitch, but it's the crypto one, and I'm never going to show that on the show. You guys are all familiar with, it's a beatdown, it's a swing up, one candle close, you ride it all the way on the Bravo 9, Shamu comes on, you get out. You'll learn about that too, but this is totally different. Also, on the S&P 500 yesterday, I said, this is okay. And I know, you're like, wait, what? As the market sells off 2% in overnight. Also, guys, be careful. Good Friday. Don't be, well, you're probably watching this video too late now. Close your positions. Here is your beat down. It's okay. You got one candle close above the Bravo 9. I know it's scary times, but this is what you do. Shamu. I mean, you're going to want to get out if it breaks that. Also have confirmation right there. I know it's scary. And last night was frightening. I mean, probably not as bad as if you have $1 billion with these guys and you're like, I can't get it. Look at this. They gated it. 41% of investors, they want their money. This, what I teach you, you get in, you get out, and you're like, hey, it's in my account. Then every day you tell me how much you made. Also, if you missed it, sorry, they're blowing up civilian bridges, I'm pretty sure. I mean, he did say he was looking at some beautiful bridges to blow up. Again, I don't see what he sees, so he has better intel than me. The good news is, guys, we only have a few days left. Everything's going to be fine. That is, unless you're Pam Blondie, fired. Trump fires. You're fired. So now you can release the Epstein. Yeah, let's do it. Do some revenge trades. I mean, I think that was on the bucket list, right? Knox, Epstein, people go to jail, no wars, right? Check. But anywho, love you guys. Enjoy your day off from trading tomorrow. It's Good Friday. Be good, and I love you all. See you tomorrow.